How to adjust the white balance color to a cooler or a warmer color on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings screen, we scroll down, and in here, tap on display. Next, we go down and then tap on screen mode. From here, you can choose vivid or natural. To adjust the white balance color, you need to select vivid, and from here you can drag on the slider bar to the right for a warmer color. Drag it to the left will allow you for a cooler white color. Now you can also tap on advanced settings. In here you can adjust the white balance RGB color and the vividness of the color of the screen. After that, tap on the back key if you're happy with it, and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.